Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best pool filter cartridge. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which water play sprinkler are you using right now? And what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. POOLPURE Hot Tub Filter Spa Filter. This POOLPURE Replace filter is a safer, cheaper, and more reliable option. POOLPURE aims to bring fantastic technology and products to market that provide truly clean water filtration for all swimming pools and spa owners' good health and happiness. Kudos to the advanced dirt locking system for capturing waste and absorb all pollutants more than ordinary cloth. This product traps leaves, dust, sediment, sand, and other contaminants. This POOLPURE cleans water more effectively. And with that, you can spend your leisure time inside a clean and tidy spa and hot tub. The unique tri-level cloth construction allows for an accessible collection of large pieces of contaminants. The filter is also easy to wash, clean, and restore. This item will last 1 to 2 years if kept and appropriately maintained. POOLPURE filter delivers safe and clean purified water to inspire the highest sense of happiness. Enjoy your unique SPA time. This is a compatible spare part and the manufacturer's names and part numbers have been used for reference purposes only. Number 2. Coleman Solo Spa 90352E POOLPURE Filter for Type VI. This POOLPURE is a high-quality filter cartridge that can keep your water crystal clear and get the best performance with this Pool Pump VI filter cartridge. The item is easy to use for trapping contaminants with the use of the featured tri-level fabric. To enhance your spa service, it is recommended that the cartridges be changed every 2 weeks. The reinforced covers are break and chemicals resistant and commonly used in pool and spa applications. The POOLPURE filter can be used several times after proper cleaning and maintenance, which extends the pool filter's life and saves money. This filter cartridge will remove dirt and other contaminants from your above-ground pool so that the pump can refill it with treated and clean water. This filter efficiently removes hair, leaves, dust, sediment, sand, etc. Enjoy clean leisure time in your pool and spa. Uniformity and high-performance fabric make it easier to capture and release stains, so it's easy for you to wash the filter after use. Number 3. Sundance 6540-501 Microclean Filter Cartridge. This Sundance 6540-501 Microclean Replacement Filter Cartridge is an excellent product. This heavy-duty product combines with the Sundance Spa's disposable filter, which is sold separately to provide clean, healthy, and clean water for your Sundance spa. This cartridge is durable and has a longer life to ensure you do not visit the market for a replacement anytime soon. One other worthwhile feature of Sundance spas is the lightness, which makes it easy to transport. It is also straightforward and hassle-free to set up. The pump easily removes dirt and grime from your water to ensure that Sundance spas works correctly. With this filter cartridge, you'll enjoy the pool of pure crystalline water in which every member of your family will like to dive. This is the genuine Sundance product for Sundance 780 series spas built after about 2006. If your spa is older, check with your local dealer. Perfect fit for my Sundance hot tub, and it is more convenient and costs less than buying it in a retail store. Number 4. Tirum Replacement J306541383 Spa Filter. The Tirum PAS 1342 replacement swimming pool and spa filter work correctly with the premium hot tubs J300 and J400. Products from this brand are an excellent investment to outperform the competition and surpass your expectations. The Tirum filter cartridge has an extremely durable filter cloth with high strength even when filled with sediment, has a more compact porosity to trap fewer contaminants and debris. The high-flow core supports the filter while maintaining the highest flow rates. This product cleans your pool water efficiently and effectively, with minimal wear and tear on the pump. Pleated filters are strategically more reliable and durable than non-pleated filters, increasing filter efficiency by exposing contaminants to a larger surface area. Pleated filters maximize the contact between contaminants and filter media, allowing for greater capacity and contaminant reduction. Tirum pool and spa filters will protect your investment, engineered to outperform the competition and exceed your expectations. Featuring high durability filter fabric that maintains strength even when loaded with sediment. Number 5. Plico PRB15 Spa Pool Filter. Not simply a filter cartridge, the Plico PRB50 is an entire filtration system. The unit makes use of the remade filter media to maximize the water flow with an effective 50% open ABS core. Furthermore, it boasts antimicrobial ends that are not damaged by chlorine, making it last longer. In fact, This cartridge is durable and will offer an extended lifespan to ensure that you don't visit the market anytime soon. Another great thing about this product is the lightweight nature that makes it easy to carry around. It is also very easy to install. Actually, it comes with an instructional manual that can guide you through the process of installation. You don't require an expert to do this for you. And you can easily clean it when it gets full. End caps resist chlorine degradation and provide support to filter material for a longer lifespan. A pair of these units are sure to keep your pool or spa jet clean and ready to perform its function easily. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.